The coffee cup is still warm when he throws it away. Half finished. Again. He didn't want it. Not really. He wanted the 5 minutes it bought him. The pause between the parking lot and the office doors. The illusion that his morning belonged to him before it belonged to someone else. $5. Nothing. A rounding error. That's what he tells himself, standing in line, tapping his card without looking at the total anymore. He stopped looking a long time ago. Because $5 isn't the story. The story is what $5 becomes when nobody's watching, when it happens again tomorrow, and the day after, quietly, invisibly, like a leak in a pipe behind a wall you never open. He makes good money. He knows this. And yet somehow, by the third week of the month, his account feels like a room with the lights off. He knows the furniture is there. He just can't see it clearly anymore. That's the cruelty of small money. It never feels like a decision. It feels like nothing at all. Watch him closely, and you'll see it isn't really about coffee. It's about the version of himself that Tap pays for. The one who isn't stressed, isn't counting, isn't the guy who checks his balance in the bathroom stall before payday. $5 buys him that guy. For 6 minutes. He'll never call it a habit. He'll call it normal. That's the trick. The things that quietly keep us poor never look like enemies. They look like Tuesday. Somewhere, in a version of his life, he doesn't let himself think about too often. That same $5, every single day, for 20 years, grows into something with his name on it. A number that could change a room he walks into. A door that opens because of a decision he made and forgot about. Instead, it becomes steam, rising off a cup, gone before he reaches his desk. He picks up his badge, walks through the doors, and doesn't think about it again. Not because it doesn't matter. Because forgetting is exactly how it wins.